Okay, so it's Monday morning and I just start digging again. So let's have a look. So I already filled this part and now I'm digging out this over here. So this is a good example of why I need to redo some of the concrete. All this, it's just falling out and there's a lot of dirt in between all the stones. This is loose too. Very nice. So the old foundation stops around here. So all these stones underneath, there's no, excuse me. There's no concrete from here and down into all these stones. So they're not holding together. The dirt can't hold this together. So the way I'm gonna fix this is digging. You see the dirt stops right here and the rest of this is just clay. So I'm gonna take all this out and then I'm gonna remove all the loose stones that is in this part. And then I'm gonna make my concrete form 10 centimeters wide, put it all the way over to the other side and fill with concrete. So yeah, I'm just gonna continue digging this part out, removing all the old stones and just make it ready for new concrete. Very nice. Oh yeah, so there's two big stones in here. I don't know if I can remove them, but I'll see if I can take them out and just replace all this with new concrete. It will be a lot stronger. So the two big stones that were sitting here, I just smacked them with a hammer and they fall down. So I just moved them out. So that's perfect. Now I have some more room to clean the what is this, the backside of this hole, and I need to clean underneath the old foundation. Just spray some water and use a brush then I'm ready to make a new form and pour some concrete in. So a little bit of cleaning and ready for the next part. Hey guys, so I just finished digging the next part out under the foundation. So now I'm just getting ready to pour some more concrete. So let's put the music on and get this done. Great music. Okay, so that's it. Everything is full. Now I'm gonna do the fun part, clean up. Yeah, and then we'll find something else to do. Yeah, let's do that. This has been sitting for a couple of days now, so now I'm gonna remove the form and remove the rest of this dirt, and I can start filling some new sand around everything. And yeah, let's see how this looks. Okay, so the form is off, and I actually think this came out pretty great. So I need to fill this with sand and compact everything, and then I just can continue the rest of the wall. So yeah, let's do some more work. So the next part is to remove this water line. I don't need it anymore and it's in the way. And I'm gonna put a new outlet somewhere else. So this one is coming from inside the main water line, and this is just looped out to the garage. So I'm gonna take this off and cut this one off. So I can cut this off too. So this black tube is going all the way out into the garage. So when I dig the rest of this, I can remove the black tube. But so for tomorrow, I'm gonna take this stairs down and then I can start digging the rest of this out and reinforce the foundation under it. So that's gonna be fun.
Det vil give noget plads.
Ja.
Det vil blive noget nemmere.
Ja, det skal ikke altså. Vi skal bare derhen af. Det står jo bare skærer til.
Jo, du dem, der skal komme det. Så svarer den. Jo, hvordan laver jeg jo?
Skal man gå frem? Prøv lige at holde den der. Sådan.
Sådan, skal være mere.
Ja. Skal vi lige at spille det ud? Jamen.
Den er nu og klar.
Ja, den er bare svært fyldt.
Ja, wow.
Ja.
Hvor sprang jeg lige ledningen?
Hej. Okay, so I just got the stairs down and took it outside because I'm not gonna put them up again. At least not, they're not gonna come up in here. I think I'm gonna make some new stairs to get up, so I can get up to the loft, but I'm gonna put them on the other side of this wall. That's a project for another day. So right now I just continue